look, listen. It's on purpose. I don't know what my head is. You still do it. I can fix that.
Hold on, bro.
That's why we talking about this.
What's up, y'all?
What's good? How you doing? Yo, it's the quality, tone, and quality show. We back at it once again, and we are here to talk about sneezing
And a coffin.
That was the wrong way to do it. That's not the way we're supposed to be doing it.
Hold on, there's a right and a wrong way to do it? Bro, come back! Bro, why you leave? Why you go? Why you leave? Why did you leave?
He on that bull because he know dang well. Alright, so look.
Stay with hands at that time.
Ladies and gentlemen. That don't make it okay. Ladies and gentlemen, so look, the way we supposed to be sneezing and coughing, because I know a lot of y'all apparently don't know necessarily how to do it.
Hey, you ain't gotta pour me out like that.
The way you supposed to actually do it, you know what I'm saying? We right here. In this vicinity. Right here. You feel me? I'm blocking all areas. Like you Hell no. No. Here. We cover our mouth. We cover the whole mouth. We ain't going underneath. We ain't going too high. We right here. We right here with it. All day, every day. It's like an ow. Damn. Shit. Fuck.
Bro, I just gotta say, what if you got a bad shoulder? Like you sick, but you got the sling on your arm. You just got the sling there. So what you supposed to do? Take your arm out the sling under your shoulder, fucked up and sneeze?
If anybody agrees with that, fine. Whatever. Just do you. But you know
Why you
what?
coming at me like that?
For all of
He ain't
us
gotta come at
real,
me like that.
for all of us real people that know how to really not sneeze, we don't sneeze like this. We don't cough, sneeze, nothing like that. We don't do that. That's not what we do.
So we do it in this vicinity.
That vicinity right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Right
Right there.
there. Right there.
That's what I'm talking about.
But you got all that open right there.
It's better to have it where you don't spread it on other people.
Alright, so what if you sneeze in your shirt? Like, you got that pit.
Why you want some of y'all?
I'm just, bro.
Don't, let's say want to do it in the armpit. If you have a problem with your arm, I'm sorry. Use your shirt. Do this. This is an option.
Hold on, but you get boogers on your chest. I'm just saying.
That's kind of nasty. I ain't gonna hold you.
No, then you get this pretty ass girl that comes to you like, "Hey, how you doing, gorgeous? I just want a hug from you." Be like, "Alright, cool." Then you like, yo, boogie, just pressing against your chest. Just go press. And then when you try to take your shirt off, it's all sticky and shit.
They yo boogers.
Man, I don't want to feel that shit.
I don't know. He's trying to contradict everything of sneezing and coughing just so he wouldn't sneeze out here. Look, I believe sneezing and coughing is contagious. You know what I'm saying?
That shit's contagious, bro. Contagious. Boom.
Anyway, I think.
Are you good?
You can't.
Alright, he good. He
cool.
He
We need to sneeze and cough the right way. The
right
proper
way.
The necessary way.
Is there really a necessary way?
There's a necessary way. And it's not.
You know what? I know what helps coughing and sneezing. A spoonful of honey a day keeps the doctor away.
Think about it, because that sounds like some good advice to me. Get some honey, folks. You don't want to sneeze and cough? Get some honey in your system. That's an idea.
You, every time I get honey in my system, I don't sneeze or cough. I did the wrong way.
He did it wrong. Robitussin also helps. Robitussin also helps.
You
I
don't
love
even have
Robitussin.
time out. You ain't even got to get the Robitussin. You know what I use?
Alright, Tussin. He can use Tussin. Y'all can use Tussin. But I'm saying, for us, you know what I'm saying, people that know, we Spread the word. We right here, okay? I need there to be a movement.
What? What do you want?
Nothing. I'm starting a movement. I'm starting a movement of this right here because it's necessary. It's necessary to start a movement. This is greatly, you know what I'm saying? Just use this. See, that's what I'm saying. See, we learning. See, that's what I'm saying. That's all we have to do.
Hey, you really would teach me that because I got my thinking juice.
So it's thinking juice. Put him into the right brain frame to do what he needs to do. If anybody else needs some thinking juice, get some thinking juice, ladies and gentlemen. If you can't find nobody that can cough, sneeze correctly, I need you to do me a favor. Get some thinking juice. That was option number one.
You always need some thinking juice.
Honey. Honey's an option.
Honey a day keeps the doctor away.
Robitussin.
Put some tussin on it.
Or it's that tussin on it. You know what I'm saying? Regular old tussin on it. Do you believe that? You believe in that? You enjoy that? Hold on. What's up with you with the slurping, man? What up with the slurping? If you have anybody in your life that believes,
We'll talk about that next time.
alright, we'll talk about that next time. We're gonna talk about tone slurping next time. That's gonna be for you.
Why we always gotta be on me? You be doing shit too.
I do, but for right now, I can sneeze correct. No, I ain't gotta
I can
cut.
sneeze correct too.
I ain't gotta cut.
Put it in the fold. Put it in the fold. Hey, put it in the fold.
Put it in the fold.
Put it in the fold. Hey, hold on. So we got some guns, bro. We swole out here.
Shots fired. If you find anybody that needs, you know what I'm saying, coughing, sneezing, you know, a little bit of, you know, extra understanding about what is important about covering their mouths, please share this video, tell them about it, like it, comment on it, you know what I'm saying, all the wonderful stuff. 100% love it on it.
I've been talking, yo. I've been there.